Hello friends, we can see a new organometallic compounds known as organo zinc compounds. In the organic zinc compounds, we have to define it first. Here, these are the organic compounds. These are the organic compounds. Organic compounds in which the carbon atom is directly attached with the zinc metal. Directly attached with the zinc metal are called as organo zinc compound. Are called as organo zinc compound. We can take the example as like this: R, zinc, and R. These are the organic compound. R is the alkyl group of the organic compound, and zinc is the metal. We can another take. In generally, it is written as RMR, where M is equal to zinc. Here R means any alkyl groups. R means it is the any alkyl group. It may be CS3, it may be C2H5, it may be tertiary butyl, phenyl, etc. Any alkyl groups, and zinc is the metal. Here we can study then preparation of the organo zinc compounds. You must understand what is the organo zinc compound. Organo zinc compound are the organic compound in which the carbon atom of the organic compound is directly attached with the zinc metal, are called as organo zinc compound. This is the example. R, and R means dialkyl zinc. It is called as dialkyl zinc. We can take the example also. Here CS3, zinc, and CS3. It is called as, what is the name of this compound? It is the dimethyl zinc. It is the dimethyl zinc. We can take another example also. C2H5 zinc. C2H5. It is the diethyl zinc. Diethyl zinc means here, see here, this is the zinc compound, this is the zinc metal, and which is directly attached with the carbon atoms, which is directly attached with the carbon atom of the organic compounds. That's why they are called as organo zinc compounds, because these are the organic compounds and this is the zinc metal, and they both are combined together. That's why they are called as organo zinc compound. And these are the organic compounds. Organic compound containing carbons, and carbon directly attached with the zinc. That's why these are called as organo zinc compounds. Means simply we can say that organic zinc compounds are those compounds in which the carbon atom are directly attached with the zinc metal, are called as organo zinc compound. Here in general it is written as RMR. R is the alkyl group, M is the zinc. It is the dialkyl zinc. We can take the example CS3, zinc, and CS3. It is called as dimethyl zinc. Then another example, C2H5 zinc, C2H5. It is called as here ethyl group. It is also ethyl group and zinc metal, diethyl zinc. Here the R, or it also called as R2 zinc. R2 zinc. Here R is nothing but the any alkyl groups. It may be CS3, C2H5, or any alkyl groups. Then we can go towards the preparation of the organo zinc compounds. In the preparation of organo zinc compound, we can take step by step preparation of the organo zinc compounds. See here, we can use the CS3I. It is the methyl iodide. It is the methyl iodide. Methyl. It is reacted with the zinc. It is reacted with the zinc. What happens here? See, CS3, zinc, and I, in presence of carbon dioxide. Then this, what is the name of this compound? Methyl iodide, zinc. This methyl, here CS3 zinc, and I, two molecules of this, they can be heated, and there is a formation of this compound CH3 twice zinc. CH3 twice this is called as dimethyl zinc here, and plus what is the remaining ZnI2. ZnI2 means here methyl iodide is reacted with the zinc in presence of carbon dioxide. There is a formation of the CH3 zinc I. When these two molecules are heated, there is a formation of the dimethyl zinc. It is the carbon atom which are directly attached with the zinc. That's why this is called as organo zinc compound. This is called as organo zinc compounds. After studying the preparation of the organo zinc compound, we can go towards the reactions of the dimethyl zinc. It is the organometallic compounds, or it is also called as like this: CH3 zinc CH3. It is the dimethyl zinc. It is the organo zinc compound or dimethyl zinc compound. We can go towards the reactions of the dimethyl zinc. In that, the first reaction is the formation of methane. In the formation of methane, see here we can use, this is the organometallic compound zinc, and here is the CH3. Here is also CH3, plus we can add the water. This water, it is the H2O. This H2O, it can also be written as HOH. See here, I can write H and OH. Again, second water molecule, I can write again as like this also, OH and H. There are two water molecules, and this, whenever these two water molecules are added into the dimethyl zinc, whenever 2 moles of water they are added towards the dimethyl zinc, what happens here? This is gone, plus zinc and OH thies. Then what is the remaining? CH3H. CH3H means there are 2 molecule of CH4. It is the methane. It is a very simple reactions. It is a hydrolysis reactions. Simply it is a hydrolysis reactions. Here this is the zinc. I can write as like this because you have to must understand what is the reaction can be taking place between the reagents and reactant. And here CH3, this is also CH3, is called dimethyl zinc. They undergo hydrolysis with the water molecules, and there is a formation of the zinc hydroxides plus CH3H. CH3H is remaining. It is a formation of the methane. Then we can go to the second synthesis, C2H5. Again zinc, again C2H5. It is called as diethyl. Zinc. This diethyl zinc is reacted with the water, HOH, again OH, H. What happens here? Hydrolysis of this diethyl zinc can be take place. Here again, in another way, we can also write down. It is this 2 molecules of C2H6. This 5 plus 1, 6. This 5 plus 1, 6. And 2 molecule, that's why I can write here 2. And yeah, here. Yes, positive sign. Plus ZnOH twice. What is the name of this compound? This compound can be also written as CH3. That is the 2 molecules of this CH3. It is called as ethane. And what is this ethane? It is the hydrocarbons. See here, we can go to the second reactions of the organic zinc compounds. Second reaction is the formation of the 2-propanol. We have to carry out the preparation of the 2-propanol. For this, we have to require reagents acetyl chloride. CH3 C double bond O Cl. It is the acetyl chloride. That is common name, acetyl chloride. What is the IUPAC name of this compound? Ethanoyl chloride. It is the IUPAC name, ethanoyl chloride. This ethanoyl chloride is reacted with this. It is called as dimethyl zinc. It's reacted with the dimethyl zinc. What happens? See here, this is the minus, this is the electropositive metals. Here they can attack on these sides, and again such type of rearrangement can be take place. Here we can write down CS3, again here Cl, then CS3, O minus, again Zn and CS3. This compound, it is called as intermediate. This intermediate undergo hydrolysis. This intermediate undergo hydrolysis by using the water. And what is the product obtained here? See here, this minus charge are go in these sides. This minus charge go in this side. This is a negative charge, and the chlorine is eliminated here. Chlorine is eliminated with the zinc. What is the product here? This is the CS3. Again this is the carbon and double bond O. Again this is the CS3. Name of this compound is the acetone. Or what is the IUPAC name? 2-propanol. Plus what is the byproduct? Zinc. And here is the chlorine, and it is the CS. This is the byproduct. We have to obtain the acetone or 2-propanol. It's a simple reactions. Acetyl chloride or ethylene chloride is reacted with the dimethyl zinc. Here we know that in the organometallic compounds, the organic part is the somewhat negative charge, and the metal has somewhat the positive charge. It has the polar character. Here the attack, nucleophilic attack can be take place, and on the carbonyl carbon of the acetyl chlorides, and such type of rearrangement can be take place. That is the formation of an intermediate. These intermediates undergo internal rearrangements. This negative charge can be transferred here, and chlorine is a good leaving group which can be eliminated, and there is a formation of the acetone. It is called as propanol plus this byproduct. After first reaction, we can go toward the second reactions of the organo zinc compounds. The second reaction is the formation of the primary alcohol. Formation of the primary alcohol. For that, we have to take reagents formaldehyde. Formaldehyde, HC double bond OH. It is the formaldehyde. Here, the IUPAC name of this formaldehyde, it is called as methanol. methanal. Methanol. This methanol is reacted with this molecule CS3, zinc, and CS3. It is called as dimethyl zinc. Here, this is the dimethyl zinc. They can be attack on the carbon of the formaldehyde, and such type of rearrangement can be take place. Here I can write down the product to form an intermediate. See here, H C O, again H, here is the CH3, this is the CH3, and remaining is the Zn positive and CS3. It is the compounds. It is called as intermediate. It is called as intermediate is formed. Here, when formaldehyde or methanol is reacted with the dimethyl zinc, this methyl group attack on the carbonyl carbons. Nucleophilic attack can be take place, and there is formation of this intermediate. This intermediate undergo hydrolysis. This intermediate undergo hydrolysis by using the water. That is the HOH. That is the hydrolysis. Here, this type of compound can be eliminated here. This type of compound can be eliminated. Zinc, CS3 and OH. Zinc, CS3 and OH is eliminated. Plus, what is the remaining here? What is the remaining? We know that. What is the remaining compound? It is the CS3, then carbon, then HH, that is the CH2, and here is the oxygen, and this is the hydrogen. This is the oxygen, and this is the hydrogen. They are remaining here, and H. Name of this compound is the ethanol. It is also called as primary alcohol. When we can use the formaldehyde as a reactant with the dimethyl zinc, the primary alcohols are obtained. The name of this compound is the ethanol. This is about the formation of the primary alcohol. As like primary alcohol, we have to obtain again in the second. We have to also obtain formation of secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol. Here we can take the second reactions, that is the formation of the secondary alcohol. For the formation of secondary alcohol, we can use the CH3 again C double bond O H. CH3 C double bond O, yes, that is the ethanol. It is called as ethanol, spelling ETHANAL, ethanol, or it is also called as acetaldehyde. It is called as acetaldehyde. It is called as acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. Then ethanol, CH3 C double bond OH. Ethanol or acetaldehyde. This is the molecule structure of this molecule. Ethanol, CH3 C double bond OH, acetaldehyde or ethanol. Here two carbon atom, that's why ethane as a parent compound, and functional group is the aldehyd, that's why it is called as nal, ethanol. This is reacted with the again CH3 zinc and CH3. It is called as dimethyl zinc. Ethanol or acetaldehyde is reacted with the dimethyl zinc, and there is a formation of an intermediate here. This is attack on these sides, and such type of rearrangement can be take place. This is the negative charge or nucleophilic attack can be take place on the carbonyl carbon of the acetaldehyde molecules. Here CH3 again C, here is the CH3, this CH3 again oxygen minus and Zn CH3, and what is the remaining here? It is the hydrogen. It is the intermediate. It is the intermediate is formed. This intermediate, we know that in the similar condition in the previous one, we can carry out the hydrolysis. Hydrolysis HOH. Again, we know that this is the oxygen atom, this is the hydrogen atom. They are remaining as it is in the hydrolysis. Here, this is eliminated here. This is eliminated. Name of this compound here, CH3, zinc and OH. It is the eliminated. Plus, what is the remaining here? It is the CH3, again C, CH3, here is the O, and here is the hydrogen. It is the hydrogen. What is the name of this compound? You have to put a name or number 1, 2, 3. Here at the 2 position, the OH is there. That's why it is a secondary alcohol. It is the secondary alcohol. Name of this compound is the 2-propanol. 2-propanol. Name of this compound is the 2-propanol. Means we have to obtain the primary alcohol by using the formaldehyde molecule. We have to obtain secondary alcohol using the acetaldehyde or ethanol molecules, as like this. Similarly, we have to also prepare a tertiary alcohol. The tertiary alcohol can be prepared as in the following reactions. See here. Then we can go towards the formation of the tertiary alcohol. Here, by using the organo zinc compound, we have to prepare primary alcohol, we have to prepare the secondary alcohol, then we can prepare the tertiary alcohol. See how the tertiary alcohol can be prepared. See, it is the CH3 C double bond O CH3. It is called as acetone, or in IUPAC name it is called as 2-propanol. Here we have to give name number 1, 2 and 3. At the 2 position ketone is there, that's why ONA position 2. It's called as parent compound is the propane, that's why it is called as 2-propanol. It is the acetone or 2-propanol is reacted with the dimethyl zinc. See here, such type of attack of the CH3 can take place on the carbonyl carbon of the acetone molecules, and such type of rearrangement can be take place. See here, CH3, again here is the CH3, O minus, O minus, and again zinc, and again CS3. Now here it is the CS3. It is an intermediate. It is a intermediate. It is the intermediate. These intermediates, again we can carry out the hydrolysis of this intermediate. We have to carry out the hydrolysis of this intermediate. What happens here? We know that zinc and this is can be eliminated. Zinc, CS3 and OH eliminated, plus what is the remaining product? See here, what is the remaining product? CS3, then C, CS3, then this CS3, and here is the oxygen. This is the oxygen atom, and this is the hydrogen atom of the water molecules. They are remaining as it is. During hydrolysis, the exchange of H plus can be take place, and here it is called as tertiary alcohol. It is called as tertiary alcohol. See here, it is a carbon atom. It is a tertiary carbon atom, and here OH group is attached here. That's why it is called a tertiary alcohol. We have to also give number to this compound: 1, 2, 3. Name of this compound is the IUPAC name of this compound is the 2-methyl. 2-methyl. What is the remaining? 2-methyl 2-propanol. 2-methyl 2-propanol means here this is the IUPAC name. This is the IUPAC name, and here tertiary alcohol. It is called as tertiary butyl alcohol. It is also called as tertiary butyl alcohol. It is a common name. It is a common name. Tertiary butyl alcohol, or IUPAC name 2-methyl propanol. Means we have to prepare the tertiary alcohol by using the dimethyl zinc and acetone. Means we have to use when we can use the formaldehyde as a reactant with dimethyl zinc, we can obtain a primary alcohol. Whenever we can use the acetaldehyde with the dimethyl zinc, we can obtain a secondary alcohol, and in this we can use the acetone with the dimethyl zinc, we can obtain a tertiary alcohols. See here, the primary alcohol, it is the alcohol, it is the alcohol, primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, and tertiary alcohol. Here whenever this is obtained, when we can use the HC double bond OH, that is the formaldehyde as a reactant. Here this secondary alcohol can be obtained when acetaldehyde is a reactant. Then tertiary alcohol can be obtained when there is a ketone. Ketone means all these are the reactant. Whenever this reactant, that is the formaldehyde, it is the formaldehyde, it is the acetaldehyde, it is the acetone. When these reagents are used, that is the we can obtain the primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, and tertiary alcohol. When we can use formaldehyde or react with the dimethyl zinc. Formaldehyde react with the dimethyl zinc, we can obtain the primary alcohol. When again dimethyl zinc are reacted with the acetaldehyde or ethanol, there is a formation of the secondary alcohols. Again, when we can use the dimethyl zinc with the acetone, there is a formation of the tertiary alcohol. There is a formation of the tertiary alcohol. Means we have to must know the when primary alcohol obtained, when secondary alcohol are obtained, when tertiary alcohols are obtained. Here the one of the reagents organo zinc compound is same, dimethyl zinc. It is the same, but the reactant is different and product is also different. Product, that is the nature is same alcohol, but the primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohol is different. That is the position of the OH group is different. It depends upon the which type of reactant we have to use for as a reactant. Means it is a very good application of the dimethyl zinc for the formation of the primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, and tertiary alcohols.